Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to use reversed wireless charging. In the beginning, swipe down Control Center and search for reversed wireless charging. Press it, got it, and now put your phone on the screen and put the other phone on the back of it. As you can see, the other phone is now charging. If you want to go to reversed wireless charging settings, unlock it and press and hold reverse wireless charging icon. Now you can enable or disable this function and change charging limit. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.